What about lorry drivers, autonomous trucks, and drone deliveries?
The introduction of autonomy in trucking could have a major impact on the industry.
Our economy runs on the trucking industry. As the industry says, if you bought it, a truck brought it.
It's a huge ecosystem with over like $1 trillion of spend just in the US.
Aurora says its autonomous system will bring a number of advantages over a human driver behind the wheel.
It'll improve fuel efficiency. By driving at 65 miles an hour versus 75 miles an hour, something like 20-25% improvement in fuel economy. It doesn't get distracted, it doesn't get tired. There's huge safety benefits. There's about 500,000 accidents a year that trucks are involved in, and we think we can reduce that dramatically.
From a consistency of reliability perspective, I think it will help kind of deliver a more consistent service. We're expecting to be able to kind of get a level of utilization out of the vehicle that we just don't see today in traditional transportation.
Wing and Walmart are teaming up to launch drone delivery at supercenters in Tampa and Orlando. You can place an order through the Wing drone delivery app. Then you can select your delivery spot, like your driveway or backyard. You can see when your order arrives, and that's it. You can get what you need in as little as 15 minutes.
Prime Air taking to the skies of Tolleson. Customers in that area can get product from the fulfillment center within 1 hour of placing an order. This is a first-of-its-kind operation, with the drone center being located at a fulfillment site.
The drones were designed by Amazon and built by Amazon. The drone that we're operating right now is our Mach 30 drone, our MK30 drone. It's lighter, quieter, and extended range for our customers.